In today's video, I want to introduce a powerful indicator on TradingView that gives perfect buy-sell signals. Just make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm going to teach you a very accurate trading strategy based on this indicator. Alright, to add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search TMMS oscillator. This one, which is written by someone named Dread Blitz. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it's added here below the chart. It's actually an oscillator, and as you can see, we have this histogram that is moving above and below the center line, which is 0. This indicator is built based on two stochastic oscillator, one RSI and one Hall moving average. The histogram is built based on stochastic oscillators and RSI, and similar to other oscillators, when it's above 0 and green, it shows advancing of the price, and when below 0 and red, it shows declining of the price. But it's also sometimes in gray color, which shows flat market and no trading signal. As you can see, this indicator is perfectly showing us the direction. Whenever it's red, the price is declining, as you can see, and whenever it's green, the price is advancing. Whether small movement or large movement, this indicator is perfectly giving us the signal with minimum amount of lag. And the excellent feature of this indicator is that it shows flat market, where the price is not advancing or declining and just moving horizontally. And another excellent feature of this indicator is that it also shows the current trend of the market by the help of a Hall moving average. When the trend is up, the center line is green, and when the trend is down, the center line is red. So this can further help us to know when the market is moving in the current trend of the market. When both of histogram and center line are green, it shows upside momentum in the current trend of the market, and when both of histogram and center line are red, it shows that the downside momentum is in the current trend of the market. Alright, now we need to filter the signals that are not worth of trading. For example, here, both of histogram and center line are green, and the price truly advanced after that, but just a little bit. Or similarly here, for this bearish signal, the price declined just a little bit after that, and not worth of trading in practice. So we need to focus on the ones that can provide larger movements of the market. For this purpose, we need to add another indicator. So here we click on indicators and we search Andion oscillator. This one, which is an editor specs indicator and written by Alex Grover. Alright, now by the help of Andion oscillator, we are able to better identify the areas of the market that there is higher probability for advancing or declining of the price. This is how we do it. We wait for the times that the green line or red line crosses above the orange line. When the green line crosses above the orange line, here in this indicator, both of histogram and center line should be green. So this is a confirmed buy signal here, and we can enter a long position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss below the previous swing low, below the low of this candle, and the profit target at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Moving on the chart here, again the green line crossed above the orange line, but here in this indicator, the center line is green, but the histogram is gray, which shows flat market. In this situation, we can wait and see if the histogram turns to green or not. When the candle is closed and the bar is green, the signal is confirmed, and we can enter a long position here when this new candle is opened. The stop loss below the previous swing low, and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Alright, moving on the chart, here the red line crossed above the orange line, and here the histogram and center line are red, so the sell signal is confirmed, and we can enter a short position at this point when this new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high at this point, and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Alright, moving on the chart, here at this point we had crossing of green line above the orange line, and in this indicator both of histogram and center line are green, so the buy signal is confirmed, and we can enter a long position at this point when this new candle is opened. A stop loss below the previous swing low, and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. After this trade, here again we had crossing of green line above the orange line, and here both of histogram and center line are green, so another long position could be opened here as this new candle was opened, and this is also a profitable trade, as you can see, and we continue like this. Please pay attention that although this strategy is very accurate and profitable, but it doesn't mean you will not have false signals. There is no trading strategy with 100% guaranteed signals, so losing trades are always part of the game, no matter how accurate is the strategy or how much experience you have. So you need to manage your risk properly. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's one of the best risk management strategy that you can use. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it because risk management is one of the key factors for becoming a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new video. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.